is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford Maverick XLT. Coming in this lovely black coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by a 2.5-liter hybrid engine, has all-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a 4K tow package. Taking a look at the back here, we got a tow hitch receiver, rear park sensing, backup camera, mud flaps on the rear and front, nice blackout trim on this vehicle with blind spot detection. And move to the front real quick, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Maverick grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does save 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior with some blue accents. Plenty of door space in the back with the same blue. Floor mats, carpet interior. We do get USB-Cs and this lovely cup holder you can remove, and plenty of leg room with additional seating underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a manual driver's seat and passenger seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, you got your lights, gas cap, and trailer brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 8 kilometers, Nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have your drive modes, toggle for your screen, voice, phone and media, volume mute, and cruise control. We got a digital speedometer right here. My view, trip and feel, or trip and economy, towing, status info, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, and other settings. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, plenty of storage with the lovely blue accents. Got storage below as well. You got your engine starts up, 12 volt, and some outlets. Volume, playback, play forward, comm screen, hazards, auto hold, storage below, and on the dash with a lovely infotainment system that has audio, phone, settings, features, and apps with your climate controls at the bottom. For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. You got your phone controls, your settings, and your features of the vehicle, such as your towing, owner's manual, and any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is RA30240, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.